This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending May 17th, 2025. The market finished higher this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.78% on Friday and was up 3.41% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.7% on Friday and was up 5.27% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.52% on Friday and was up 7.15% for the week. Wow, that was great, but it doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was only slightly up 0.17% this week. That wasn't much, but that doesn't really matter either because I can generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. I make cash flow off of Bitcoin's volatility, and we know that Bitcoin is ultimately volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. And looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was CIFR Mining Incorporated, ticker symbol CIFR in the first column. It was up 21.77% on Friday and increased 29.53% for the week. CIFR Mining Incorporated is a technology company that develops and operates industrial-scale Bitcoin mining data centers. They have 4 mining centers in Texas. One is wholly owned, while the other 3 are only partially owned. CIFR also operates a 2.8 gigawatt pipeline across 7 additional sites in Texas. CIFR Mining recently announced that they are teaming up with NG North America, a low-carbon renewable energy producing company, to purchase up to 300 megawatts of clean energy from one of NG's wind facilities. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 8 different option contracts that range from $72.34 to $265.34. I received a total of $1,101.72 for the 8 options contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, but that's because I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $1,101.72 this week? Well, I have credit card bills, so I will probably take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount increased from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 0.9%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Though there are many ways to use options, in fact, there are hundreds of different option strategies people have come up with. I employ one of the easiest strategies, one that guarantees me income every week. It is very simple, it's very easy, but most people will never learn how because, I believe, people tend to shun subjects that they were not formally taught in school. And learning how to make money, is a subject that they will never teach you in school. Why? Well, because they want you to work. They don't want your money to work. They want you to do the working. They want you to work for money. They want you to hustle. They don't want you to know how to make your money work. Your money is unemployed. It is made for spending, not working. Well, I'm done with working. It's time for my money to do the work now. Do you know how to make your money work? Fortunately, there are hundreds, actually thousands of books that inform you on how you can make your money work in a variety of ways. But it seems most people are allergic to books. And riddle me this. What's the best way to hide information from an ignoramus? Put it in a book. They'll never find it. Please understand that most books are designed to inform you generally, not specifically. Hopefully, though, they can help you change your mindset. But please know there are a few how to books, books that show you specifically what to do. And some how to books are more detailed than others. It is up to you to understand and know the differences. I am not showing you exactly how I use options. It should be good enough to understand that I sell options related to Bitcoin. I don't buy options. I sell options. And I get money from the options I sell. That's why cash flow is guaranteed. Are there any drawbacks to this system? Well, you tell me. Think about it. Selling options is a lot easier than selling anything else. For one, I don't have to advertise. There is no marketing costs. I don't have to search for or find buyers. If you understood the U.S. financial system, you would know that the buyers are built into the system. Thus, there is no customer acquisition costs. The only cost that I incur is a commission fee, and you can see that that fee is usually about 66 cents for each sale. The purpose of my videos is to report and show you the proof of getting guaranteed income. I hope that you are motivated enough to do your own research, read, watch YouTube videos, discuss with a trusted and knowledgeable person, and see what they have to say. If they don't know what I'm talking about, then that's the wrong person to be talking to. They simply don't know enough. In the meanwhile, please check back each week to see how much cash flow or income I generate and to see whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.